This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Margie Chapman. Beautiful 4-bedroom home located near boardwalk and beach. Spacious open floor plan includes kitchen with stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar. Hardwood flooring throughout first floor. Large primary suite with vaulted ceilings and walk-in closets and a jetted tub in the primary bath. Fenced-in backyard with refreshing in-ground cocktail pool. Pets negotiable. Non-smoking unit. Available September 1, 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Margie Chapman at 757-428-0201.